Gus Schmidt back again with a new trading video. So today I'm back on the Pocket Option platform and I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs here. So if we go to our assets here, we click on currencies and I have all my OTC pairs checked off here so that they can appear in the top on the top of the chart here. Okay. And I'm going to be utilizing two indicators. The first indicator here is if we click on the indicator icon is the Aroon indicator, and the second indicator is the MACD or moving average convergence divergence indicator. Okay. And for the Aroon indicator, I've made some adjustments to the settings. I've set the period to 5, which makes it a lot more sensitive to price swings as we're going to be taking fast 60-second trades. And I've changed the up line to green, change the line width to 2 pixels and the down light to red 2 pixels. Okay, that allows us to see the lines a little better here. And for the MACD indicator, I've also made some adjustments here. I've set the fast period to 5, slow period to 20, and the signal period to 5, also making them more sensitive to price changes here. And in the style settings, I've disabled the histogram. It's enabled in the default setting, but I'm not going to need that. So we disabled the histogram here. And I've set the green MACD line to 2 pixels and the red signal line also to 2 pixels so that we can also see these lines a little bit better on the chart. Okay, so for my candlestick chart, I have the setting set to 1 minute Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute, as I mentioned before, because I'm going to be taking fast 60-second trades, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the USD EGP OTC pair, and I just took a sell trade, okay? And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, what I'm waiting for is I'm looking at the MACD line first for that crossover. You see the green MACD line crosses below the red signal line in a downward direction. And then secondly, uh, the signal also is that the green Aroon indicator line crosses below the red Aroon line here in a downward direction here. See here as it crosses over. So there's been a simultaneous crossover here. So that suggests a bearish movement to the downside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade. And okay, so we won that trade, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is, first of all, I look for the MACD crossover, the MACD line crossing over the red signal line here in an upward direction. And then simultaneously to that, you see the green Aroon line crossing over the red Aroon line here in an upward direction as well. So this simultaneous crossover of both lines here should suggest a bullish momentum to the upside in the currency pair. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. That was a close trade, but I got the entry at the right time here. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar currency pair, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is, first of all, the MACD line crosses the red signal line here in an upward direction. And secondly, there's a simultaneous crossover of the green Aroon line above the red signal line right here. And so this suggests a bullish momentum to the upside here over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade. So the idea is that we wait for the MACD line to cross first, right? And if the Aroon line hasn't crossed yet, you simply wait for the Aroon line to cross secondly. So because you need both confirmations in order to take the trade. But the first is the green MACD line crossing first. Then you wait for the Aroon line to cross. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar currency pair. And I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, I waited for the MACD line, the green MACD line, to cross over the red signal line in an upward direction. And simultaneous to that, we see the green Aroon line crossing the red Aroon line here in an upward direction. So this suggests a bullish momentum to the upside over the next 60 seconds. We have this simultaneous crossover here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade also. All right, so the idea is, first you wait for that MACD line to cross, right? You don't take the trade when the MACD line first crosses. You wait for that Aroon line secondly to cross. Once that Aroon line crosses as well, the green Aroon line crosses above the red Aroon line, then you take the trade, which is exactly what I did here. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, OTC pair, and I just took a sell trade right here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, I waited for the MACD line to cross the red signal line here in a downward direction. Secondly, the Aroon green line crossed the red line also in a downward direction, suggesting a bearish momentum to the downside in the price of the currency pair here. So we have a simultaneous crossover of both lines, and this is what we're looking for when we're taking these trades with this strategy. All right, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let's move on to the next setup here. Okay, so I'm on the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, and I just took a buy trade. Okay, and the reason why I took the buy trade here is, if you see here, the green MACD line crosses over the red signal line in an upward direction here. All right. Secondly, and simultaneous, the Aroon green line crosses the Aroon red line also in an upward direction here. So this suggests a bullish momentum to the upside in the price of the currency. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. So we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to close out the session here. We had a pretty good session. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video. I have a link to the trading platform in the video comments and or the channel description. And I also wanted to make a note that uh, I've only been trading about 1 to 2% of my balance here. And that's because the whole idea is you want to grow your account steadily. You don't want to take risk big trades, and because big trades can lead to big losses. And we want to grow our account consistently. So we take these small, trades. Uh, and so that's why I recommend, trading no more than 1 to 2% of your balance. As long as your wins outnumber your losses, you'll be able to grow your account consistently. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.